Okay, now let's see the basic sounds of cajon. First of all, we have the bass sound, which is this sound. It's the lower sound. We hit with all the hand, and we hit in this part, with this hand in this part, and in this part, trying to find the lower sound of cajon. Okay, when we hit this sound, you will see a B on the screen like that. Okay, then we have another sound. The other sound is the high. The high we hit with this part of the hand, in this part, finding the higher sound on cajon. Okay, when you see an H on the screen, is that we hit in the high. So let's see, for example, this exercise, which is bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass, high. You can practice it with the other hand. Bass, high, bass, high. And then we have the medium. The medium is this sound. It's like the high but weaker. Okay, the high is like that and the medium is like that. So let's see this exercise to practice the medium and the high. Is high, medium, high, medium. High, medium. And then with the other hand. Okay, so these are the three sounds more important of cajon. Let's see an exercise to practice these three sounds. Is bass, high, medium, bass, high, medium, bass, high, medium. With the other hand.